everyone, Oshkosh is just around the corner. While Tyler and I both love doing the airplane camping under our wing and the North 40, there are certain advantages sometimes to staying off of the AirVenture grounds. So for those of you who won't be staying in the North 40, South 40, Camp Shoal, or any other campsites there on the EAA grounds, these are my top 5 tips for those of you not camping at Oshkosh. Number 5, take a minute to go to EAA's website and check out the maps they've put together outlining the different traffic patterns throughout the day. So as the day changes, they'll have certain roads that are one way only, trying to help alleviate any congestion when, for example, in the morning and early afternoon, everybody's trying to come onto the grounds. And then as it progresses to later in the afternoon and evening, everybody is trying to leave. So just to help alleviate any stress, it would be great to go and take a little peek at it. So that way you have an idea of what you're going to be getting yourself into, how you're going to be getting around, and to also then locate your parking lot that you have your pass for on the map. Number 4, there are a couple different shuttle options available if you don't want to have to worry about driving on and off the grounds every day. That link is in the description down below as well, but as you can see here, if you're staying just north of the airport, that might not be such a bad option for you. There's also shuttles to get you from as far away as Appleton and Fond du Lac onto the grounds. Again, go and check out the site there, and it might turn out that that's a better option for you versus having to worry about renting a car, parking it, and driving off and on the grounds. Also, if you're planning to take an Uber or Lyft to get to and from the grounds, just be aware that there's 4 designated spots where they're allowed to pick up and drop off passengers just outside of the grounds. That's also at that link. Number 3, this kind of ties into the whole shuttle thing that we just talked about. There's a shuttle that takes the campers there who are staying on the grounds to the target that is just off site so they can go and get different resources throughout the week. So if you are staying off the grounds and you have transportation available, you might consider going to a different store. So Tyler and I went to that Target one of the first times that we stayed off the grounds just because we knew it was there. And there was a couple of the shelves that were bare because everybody is taking advantage of the fact that there's this nice convenient shuttle that can take them off and on the grounds and get them there to buy stuff. So to not only be a little more convenient for you, but also perhaps a little considerate of the people who are camping and relying on that shuttle, you might consider going to one of the different shops and stores that are in the area to go and buy any groceries or whatnot that you're looking for your stay. Number 2, you are allowed to bring outside food and non-alcoholic beverages onto the AirVenture grounds with you. Now, as always, make sure to check EAA's website for the most up-to-date information on their policies and prohibited items, but this can be really advantageous if you're staying off the grounds and have a kitchen or a kitchenette at your disposal, because you can not only save a little money by bringing your own lunch and snacks and drinks with you, but you can also then help save some time not waiting in the lines where, depending on the venue and the time of day, it can get to be a bit of a long wait to go and get food on site. This also is really great for anybody then who has any dietary restrictions or limitations, because now you can accommodate that by being able to bring all of your own food. And the number 1 tip I have for anybody who is staying off of the AirVenture grounds is on Wednesday and Saturday night when they have the night show taking place, do not try to leave the grounds to go and get dinner and then come back. We tried to do this the first year we ever stayed off the grounds. We said, hey, we have a car, why don't we just go and pick something up and get a bite to eat, and then we'll just drive right back. The problem is that when we left, the area around the airport, they'd shut down some of the access to the different roads. Others had been one way only, cannot enter here, right turn or left turn only. We got really turned around trying to figure out how we could even get back towards the gate that we needed to try and get back in. And then there was all the other traffic then that we were with, trying to now get to the parking lot. Honestly, I don't think it's worth the hassle. So if you are staying off the grounds and coming on to the EAA AirVenture grounds for the night show, I would plan to just stay there all day and not leave until after the show is over, because it can just really be frustrating trying to then leave and figure out now how to get back. But there you have it, my top 5 tips for those of you who aren't camping on the EAA grounds during AirVenture. I hope that you found this helpful. If you like my t-shirt, you can get that at planelady.com/store along with other designs. And if you're going to be attending AirVenture this year, I will once again be hosting the Beyond the Cockpit Women Building Aviation panel on Wednesday at 1 p.m. at Forum Stage 4. We'll have some wonderful ladies there on the panel, including Boeing's first female chief mechanic. And on Thursday, we will be once again hosting our 3rd RV Builder Bash from 3 to 5 p.m. at the Home Built Camping Pavilion, where we will have free drinks and some giveaways. Tyler and I will be there all week, so if you see us, be sure to say hi, and we will have stickers for everybody. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so for more videos like these and to follow along as we build our RV tent.